Hey art friends, it's Miss V. Whether you draw on paper, paint on canvas, or create digitally, there's one thing that can take your art from being pretty good to having that wow factor, and that's understanding the principles of design. Today we're breaking them down one by one, using examples from famous artists and easy tips you can try right away. Balance is how you arrange visual weight in your artwork. It can be symmetrical, like a butterfly's wings, or asymmetrical, like Van Gogh's Starry Night, where the swirling sky balances against the calm village. Contrast is all about differences, light versus dark, smooth versus rough, bright versus dull. Caravaggio used dramatic light and shadow to make his subjects almost pop off the canvas. Emphasis tells the viewer where to look first. Georgia O'Keeffe made her flowers so large you can't help but notice them. Movement is how the viewer's eye travels through your piece. Monet's water lilies have flowing strokes that guide you across the painting. Pattern and repetition create rhythm. Yayoi Kusama covers entire rooms in repeating polka dots. Proportion is about size relationships. Michelangelo gave David larger hands to make them a point of focus. Unity happens when all parts of your artwork feel like they belong together. Monet's color choices create harmony across the whole painting. Great art doesn't use just one principle, it blends several. Think about Monet's water lilies. There's balance, movement, unity, and emphasis all at once. Remember, the principles of design aren't rules, they're tools. The more you practice them, the more powerful your art becomes.